everyone, this is Priyasha from Cragsat, and today in this video I'm going to talk about a really important question which has been fidgeting with your minds a lot, that is how to increase your accuracy in the DM section. I know decision making is something which is never satisfying you with the answers that the organization gives you, but then I just wanted to get deeper into this and also discuss some points with my professors and talk to you about that. Okay, so this video has some insights from what professors have told me, from what I have learned by my experience, and also what my mama told me. Okay, so let's add all these 3 points and maybe these points will help you to score better in the DM section, because remember, those who are struggling with VA and quants, DM is the only source for maximizing the scores, because you're not only going to clear the cutoff but also maximize your scores here. Okay, so let's get started. The very first thing which I wanted to tell you is the major areas where you people do a mistake. I have been telling this in major of my all DM videos, but this one is just a short quick recap. That number one, generally it has been seen that people with work experience tend to make more mistakes in the DM section compared to the freshers or the ones who have taken a drop, and this is a research in XLRI. This is what my professor has told. You know why? It's actually the ulta. The hypothesis actually says कि जिन्होंने काम कर रखा है किसी भी organization में, they are expected to give correct answers, right? But होता उल्टा है. What happens is that the freshers and the ones who have taken a drop in a year are expected to give better answers. I mean, giving better answers. Instead, they are not expected, but still getting the good answers or the correct answers compared to the work experience वाले लोग. अब ऐसा कैसे हो रहा है? This is happening because the work experience वाले लोगों ने अपने personal biases, अपने past experiences को उन answers में डाल दिया है. What they think is that practically happens is what is socially desirable. Now this introduces me to a 3-word term which would really help you to get better scores in DM from now on. The 3-word term is socially desirable answer. SDA, socially desirable answer. Now इस पर मैंने सर से एक बात पूछी. Sir, you tell me. चलिए, मुझे भी पता है कि इस सिचुएशन में मुझे शांत रहना चाहिए था, बट प्रैक्टिकली इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. मैं गुस्सा हो जाती. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट अ हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन. बट मुझे पता है कि सोशली डिजायरेबल आंसर इज कि मुझे शांत हो जाना चाहिए था और चुपचाप उसकी बात सुन लेनी चाहिए थी. बट इफ अ पर्सन नोज दिस, कैन अ पर्सन नॉट मैनिपुलेट हिज और हर आंसर्स एंड गेट इनटू द कॉलेज? So sir smiled and said, you know what, Priyasha, more than 89%, yes, this number is drastic big number, more than 89% people are not aware of what is socially desirable in the organization. Yes, आधे से ज़्यादा लोगों को तो पता ही नहीं है कि किस तरह से बिहेव करना चाहिए या what is acceptable in the society. So if at all a person is even manipulating his answers, at the end of the day he at least knows कि किस तरह से behave करना चाहिए था, provided he does not behave the same when he becomes a CEO. So that what makes a difference. Try and understand this. So filter करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर एक्सेल आ रहा है उन लोगों को जो लोग जानते हैं कि सही behavior क्या होना चाहिए, and that what makes you give correct answers in the DM section. और इसलिए मैंने आपको इतनी प्रैक्टिस भी तो कराई है EQ के क्वेश्चन से कि एटलीस्ट आपको पता रहे कि what is socially desirable answer, so that you can do that in various different question sets of DM. Now something which is very relevant to your practice, that how are you going to do that in PYQs. चलिए, आपने सारे PYQs solve कर दिए, अब इसके आगे क्या? Well, solving PYQs does not only mean that आपको बस questions पढ़ने हैं, questions को solution देखने हैं और हो गया. नहीं, हर PYQ खुद में एक case study है, and आपको पता है case study को कैसे solve करते हैं? सबसे पहले हम problem निकालते हैं. So when you are reading a caselet of 3 questions in DM, try to identify the problem. Write problem, colon, and then what do you think is the problem in the entire set. The second thing you would be doing is you would be noting down the alternative solutions according to all the questions given in the set. आपके हिसाब से क्या 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 होना चाहिए. That can be the answer, of course. So what you think can be certainly molded here. And the last thing which is very essential is what you learn out of it. How can you apply it in real life? So real life का एक situation लो कि अच्छा इस तरह का टी स्टॉल का क्वेश्चन है, ओ मेरे घर के नीचे भी एक टी स्टॉल है, उसमें भी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, तो ट्राई टू रिलेट इट सो दैट आपको याद रहे. नाउ एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हाट विल हैपन, यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद अराउंड 20-25 सिनेरियोज एंड आप लिख के ले लो ये बात कि आपके एग्जाम में इन्हीं 20-25 सिनेरियोज में से कोई 21 क्वेश्चंस आपको डीएम में दिए जाएंगे. There is high probability of questions getting repeated or scenario getting repeated in DM. Okay, so you should be really happy of the fact कि आपके पास at least एक syllabus है to read from DM, from the PYQs itself. Okay, so utilize that. And मेरी मम्मा मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा example देती है that आपको छोटे बच्चे पता है ना, like if you tell them that okay आपको झूठ नहीं बोलना है, okay, so like very छोटे बच्चों की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. So suppose these parents only themselves, when they get a call from someone whom they don't want to talk to, they will ask their kids to do, okay जाओ बोल दो ना कि मम्मी नहाने गई है. And the kid will pick the phone and say मम्मी बोल रही थी कि मम्मी नहाने गई है. So दिस इज़ वॉट माई मॉम ऑलवेज टीचर्स मी एंड से कि अरे कब क्या करना है ये तो पता होना चाहिए, जिसे हम कॉमन सेंस भी कहते हैं. सो कब क्या करना है इज़ वॉट दे वॉन्ट टू टेस्ट यू इन. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई क्रिएट सिनारियोज when you are reading through the PYQs of DM and उन सिनारियोज को रियल लाइफ में अप्लाई करने की कोशिश कीजिए. यू विल सी दैट यू विल गेट अ फिक्स्ड सेट ऑफ सिनारियोज जहाँ से आपके क्वेश्चंस आने ही आने हैं. दैट विल हेल्प यू क्लियर द कट ऑफ एज वेल एज मैक्सिमाइज योर स्कोर in the DM section. That's all guys. इसके अलावा ऐसे कोई भी और questions हो तो drop it below in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to take it. Thank you so much and all the very best.